Hakabai day baka chicken no chakaliang persha baka Sorkar MDA ya kabla lam khmat ka seng NPP kalong ka Sorkar ka Bamsap u president ka UDP ba Metbah do ulong ba amdan manu ru ban chicken no yanu Khlem dan kanu ka Sabut lani ka sakhi satar ka babyang.
You can't just charge someone like that you're corrupt. You please come up with evidence. Whoever has said like that, please come up with evidence. You can't just charge like that. Don't make the identity of any person with that kind of allegations.
But he has said that
I can't just go with what you said.
Yeah. So, but he has said that
You please come up with evidence. What are the whatever charges that you have, that we'll look into it. You can't just talk like that. I never come out with any kind of statements alleging or accusing anyone without any kind of evidences, I should say.
The Saubhagya scheme and illegal coal mining, all these issues, you are silent. That is what they are saying.
Sir, Saubhagya scheme, that is a commission. We are waiting for the report of the judicial inquiry. So who am I to talk now?
And now they are planning
Let us wait for that.
casino and
We will never sit idle when these kind of irregularities are happening in the state. We have seen it in the past also.
don't you think that
You have seen when we talk about anything, we raise up and so you see, once somebody is alleging somebody about something, I mean, you can't just go by by what they said.